channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you guys how I style the spring Causebox. Causebox is a quarterly subscription box and they partner with companies around the world that provide full-size lifestyle products and also help to employ women in underprivileged areas. I absolutely love Causebox. I love their team. If you saw my winter unboxing video as well, you'll know how much I love the products. And that is why I am so excited to announce that I have also joined the Causebox editorial team as a writer for their online magazine, Good News. If you guys haven't ever heard of Good News, it's a really awesome blog and I'll be contributing to it at least 3 times a month, so I'll leave the link down in the description box below so that you can go and check out my articles. But in the meantime, I'm so excited to show you this spring box, so let's get started. So the first item in the box is actually this kimono that I'm wearing. I'll insert some footage here of what it looks like full length. This kimono was specially commissioned and printed just for Causebox by a company called Symbology in Jaipur, India. So this kimono is fair trade and provides jobs to underprivileged women in Jaipur, and it is absolutely beautiful. I love how soft and subtle the print is, and I feel like you can really dress it up or down depending on what you wear it with. I love wearing it with some of my little rompers, but another way that I really like to use it is actually as a robe in the mornings. It's so soft and so beautiful, and I know that I'm going to be wearing it like all spring long. So I'm actually also wearing the second item from the box, and those are these silver earrings. These are made by a company called Soko, and they're actually the first silver piece of jewelry that Causebox has ever done. I think they're so pretty because they're like super minimal and sleek, but also really like sophisticated and feminine. And Soko was actually founded in Kenya by 2 American women and 1 Kenyan woman. And they call their company like Etsy for Africa, which I think is really cool because they take all of these artisans that are living in areas that are a little bit more removed from the big cities, who maybe don't have the opportunity to sell their products in like traditional, very busy markets, and they give them the opportunity to sell their products. Because their company is so quick on trends and so responsive to customer needs, they call it ethical fast fashion. So they're beautiful and sustainably sourced, but they're also affordable. Can't get much better than that. So the next company that was kind enough to include something in the Causebox is the PF Candle Co. And they included this adorable little reed diffuser. It's 3 ounces and the scent is amber and moss, and it smells so good. It's so fresh and calming, and I actually keep this on my bedside table, and I just love the atmosphere that it brings to our bedroom. Also, how cute is this packaging? I'm definitely going to use this little glass jar as a bud vase when all of this scent is gone out of it. PF Candle Co. was actually founded by a woman named Kristen and her husband Tom, and she was just really tired of working in a traditional corporate environment and working for somebody else. And so when she met her husband and they realized that they had a mutual passion for scent and candles, they started this company to allow them to work from home and to employ other people in the United States to be able to work from home and provide for their families as well. It's really cool for me too because they're actually based in LA, which is like an hour from where I live. So kind of blending the world of beauty and scent, there is also this rosehip oil from Sensuals. The story behind this product is super touching. The founder of the company, I think her name is May or Mai, I'm not entirely sure how to pronounce it. Her brother was diagnosed with terminal cancer and was told that he had a month to live, and she was working in the cosmetics industry at the time, and she started really paying attention to what was in all of the products that she was selling and consuming because she was spending so much time in hospitals and really learning about how different things affect your body. Sensuals is 100% natural, like really 100% natural, and not like just pretending to be. And I love this because it's a really generous size, it's 2 ounces, and it's super hydrating without being greasy or oily. But the best part of this product is actually that Sensuals partners with the Canadian Cancer Society, so a portion of all of their sales proceeds go to cancer research, which is really amazing. The other beauty item in the box is from Juice Beauty, and this was the only company out of all of the brands that were in this box that I had heard of before. And Juice Beauty really focuses on super natural cosmetics. And so they gave us this mascara. It's in this really sleek chrome tube, and it's really cool because the pigment for this mascara actually comes from purple carrots. It's a black mascara, so they concentrate it so it's super dark. But this mascara has a super unique wand, and what I love about this is that it is perfect for bottom lashes because it's really good at really naturally lengthening and volumizing without clumping. I love how transparent Juice Beauty is with all of their ingredients and what they're using. And all of their products are vegan, and actually most of them are anti-aging as well, which is really cool. Also, their organic farm that they get all of the stuff for their ingredients and their products from is actually in Sonoma, California as well. So a lot of like California products in this box. Then the last 2 items are both home decor items. The first one is this print from an artist called Mary Lou Faur. far. And her work all centers around body positivity and gender equality. So this print in particular has this beautiful red-haired woman, and she's lying in a field, and it's very springy with all the plants and the flowers. Just like the print from the winter box, the paper is super high quality, which I love. And what I love about this one as well is that you can either hang it up, so I actually had mine on one of my little boards up here, or you can send it as a postcard if it doesn't match the style of your home decor, which I think is really cool. So the last item is from a brand called Bloom and Give, and they are these little tea towels. I think these are so beautiful, and Bloom and Give as a brand is really cool. They're based in Kerala, India, and the company is actually run by 2 women, which is really cool because I love me a good woman in a leadership role. And they focus on really traditional methods of making all of their crafts, but also focus on sustainability. So not only are they providing jobs for people in that area, but all of their products are really sustainable. And what I really like about this is because the area where they are made is a very humid and wet area, even though these are tea towels, so they're a little bit thinner material, they're still super absorbent. I think the pattern on these is also really classic and would go really well in any kitchen. I have mine on my oven right next to my 2 pot holders from Hearth and Hand by Magnolia. They look really cute. The design, I think, is called Mundu, and it's a really traditional design that a lot of men and women in India actually wear. So I think it's very cool that there's that cultural aspect to it as well. So the other really cool thing about this brand is that 10% of their profits actually go to educating girls in India, and they work with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation to make sure that all of that money is going to the right sources to help those girls. The thing that I love so much about Causebox, other than the fact that all of the products are full size and such high quality, is that there's a story behind every one of them. Causebox also donates 1 meal to someone in need for every box that's bought, and between that and all of the products, you really know exactly where your money is going to help people. It's going to fuel people's dreams and help them provide for their families in ways that they maybe otherwise couldn't, and that to me is just worth everything in the world. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure that you check out that link in the description so you can read my articles on Causebox. Also, please let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this box, or if you have another favorite subscription box that I should check out, please let me know because I love me a good subscription box. Also, please make sure to click that subscribe button, and if you want to see new ethical and affordable lifestyle content from me every Monday and Friday, make sure that you click that notification bell as well. As usual, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are, and I'll see you with my next video. Bye!